my name is Kennedy, and I shared with you the original recipe, or my recipe. And right now I have my onions cooking, and instead of shortening, we improvised and put some canola oil. And now next I already prepped last night, I already prepped my paprika, my salt, and my pepper. And now I'm going to put them in. Now, I'm going to have to stir it first. Now, I'm going to put my chicken in. And also, instead of having my food on a low flame, I'm going to put it in the slow cooker. Now we gotta stir it again. So now that my chicken is all cooked, and it is cooked within the canola oil and the seasoning that I put in, and now this mixture is going to go to the crock pot or the slow cooker. And this is a mixture because we want to separate the paprika, salt, and pepper, because that would be extraordinarily hard, especially when it was already cooked. So now I'm going to put my mixture in the crock pot and put the water in there too. Now, time for the water. And now, I'm going to put the lid back onto it and put it on low. Hi, so I am making the dumplings right now. And what I added to make this mixture is I added 2.5 cups of flour and 1/2 of water and 3 beaten eggs and a little bit of salt. And it came up with this mixture. Now this is kind of like going to be a liquid, or when it comes into the water, it's going to be a solid. But also, I know this is a mixture because you can't really separate them. But if you really got into it, then you could separate it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a chunk like this, and then I'm just going to drop it in. And this is also going to be a chemical change, because when this comes in here, we're going to leave it in for whenever they're done. And how I know it's going to be done is they're going to rise up to the top, and then that's going to be a chemical change, because they were a liquid and now they are a solid. so now that the dumplings are done, they are now solid, and before they were a liquid. And we had over half of this pan full with water, and now it has hardly any left, which means that the water evaporated, and all of this is gas or steam. And that would be a chemical change because of the liquid turning into a solid within the water. And now, going to add the sour cream into my recipe. And now I'm going to add the dumplings in here and stir them. Oh. Okay. Now we want to stir. Now that we have mixed together the dumplings and the chicken and all the other things that went into the recipe, we are going to eat it. We already put the recipe on the plates, and we put some peas with it, and I'm going to try it.